Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to start the new topic, new lesson, Yonamin and Bushi. Yonamin and Bushi. So, by listening this name, you feel these are the Chinese word, feel like Chinese word, Yonamin and Bushi. Okay, so this is our last lesson for the first terminal exam, Yonamin and Bushi, 2.7. 2.7, it is number of this lessons 2.7. So up to this, you have got the syllabus. Yonamin Chiru was the most admired girl in Okinawa. Yonamin Chiru. Yonamin Chiru. She is the most admired girl in Okinawa. She was intelligent, tall, strong, big, and beautiful. And most important of all, she was so well trained in karate that no one could beat her. See the picture, Yunami and Bushi. They are taking karate poses. Okay, so Yonami, she is the best karate player. So well trained. She is very strong, big, and very beautiful. She was intelligent also, tall. Okay, so when it was time to get her married, her father, who was a rich merchant, began to worry. He loved his daughter and wanted her to be happy and well cared for us. Obviously, her father is very worried about her because he wanted that her daughter, she should be happy and well cared for. She was beautiful and she would inherit a fortune from him. But where, oh, where could he find a young man who could come forward to marry a woman who was stronger than him? So ऐसा कौन young man आएगा कि जिसे जो गर्ल उससे भी ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो, शक्तिशाली हो, ऐसे कौन सा यंग मैन उसके साथ शादी करेगा? ओके, ऐसे लगा उसके फादर को. So he was very worried. Yonamin had her own ideas about marriage, but Yonamin, she's a very independent girl. Like she has own idea. She had her own idea about marriage. She declared firmly, "I will only marry a man who can beat me in a fair fight." So उसने declare कर दिया, जो मुझे fair fight में हराएगा, okay, I will marry that man who can beat me in a fair fight. फेयर, अच्छे से खेला, फेयर फाइट में जो हराएगा फेयरली मैं उससे शादी करूंगी. Surprisingly, many young men picked up the challenge and came forward to fight her. After all, she was a beautiful girl with a fortune. Many wrestlers were eager to win her in a contest of martial arts. Sorry, in a contest of martial arts. Martial arts, because she is a very good karate player. She is a very well trained in karate. So that so many wrestlers were eager to win her in a contest of martial arts. One of the first to ask for her hand was Kojo. जिसने उसका पहले हाथ मांगा उसके फादर से, उसका नाम था कोजो, who was actually bigger and stronger than Yonamin. वो कौन था? Actually bigger and strong था बहुत Yonamin से. Who was actually bigger and stronger than Yonamin? He was so tall and well built that his hands were like shovels and his leg resembled tree trunks. इतना लंबा था कि tree trunks के जैसे उसके पैर दिखते थे. But he played foul as Yonamin was bowing to him in the customary sign of respect to one's opponent. ऐसे अपन इसे बो करते हैं ना एक दूसरे को. So but he played foul. उसने गलत खेला. He threw a punch at her, breaking the rules of the game. उसने पहले बोला जो फेयर गेम खेलेगा, अच्छे से खेलेगा, उसके साथ में शादी करूंगी. But he played a foul game, breaking the rules of the game. Yonamin was angry. She caught hold of his arm and twisted it so powerfully that the unsupportive Kojo fell down in a heap and had to leap away, and he is defeated. कोजो को उसने defeat कर दिया. Many promising young wrestlers tried their hand, but Yonamain defeated them all. बहुत सारे young wrestlers लोगों ने उसके साथ try किया, fight की, but Yonamain defeated them all. But Yonamain ने सब लोगों को defeat कर दिया. Her father was in despair. अभी उसके फादर को लगने लगा रे ऐसे कैसे होगा फिर अभी. Her father was in despair. Young men wanted to marry girls. Young men wanted to marry girls who would cook and wash and make tea for their husband. ऐसे बहुत सारे young men उनको लगता है कि I'll marry that girl. She will cook for me. She will make tea. She will wash my hair, wash my clothes. Okay, so everything household she will do. Who would marry a girl who enjoyed wrestling? ऐसा कौन है जो wrestling को enjoy करने के लिए ऐसे girl के साथ शादी करेगा? Who would marry a young girl who enjoyed wrestling? जो लड़की wrestling enjoy कर सकती है, so ऐसे girl के साथ कौन marry करेगा, कौन शादी करेगा? Okay. Bushikiyo was just such a man. Bushikiyo, that's why the name is Yonamin and Bushi. Bushikiyo एक आया. Bushikiyo was just such a man. ये ऐसा ही लड़का था. He had trained under the karate master Saugawa. He proved to be such an expert that he was recruited by Shoko. Okay, he was recruited by Shoko. Okay, so here he just came and he to take a challenge on his shoulder of this girl. And you know what I mean, she may be big, but you are stronger and smarter than her. Bushi too was keen to marry a girl like Yonamin. उसकी बहुत इच्छा थी बुशी की भी कि योनामिन जैसी लड़की से ही मैं शादी करूं. Okay, so Bushi too was keen to marry a girl like Yonamin. He did not want a delicate, fragile girl for a wife. Delicate, नाजुक सी girl उसको शादी, यानी उसकी wife ऐसे नहीं चलती थी उसको. So he just want a strong girl like Yonamin. I shall fight with her and win over her. He decided. So he decided. Bushi ने decide किया. He just decided, I will own her. I will fight her. I shall fight with her and win over her. He decided. Yonamin was impressed at the sight of her new challenger. She had heard that he was one of King Shoko's personal warrior. King Shoko का ये personal warrior था, ऐसे उसने सुना था. He was tall and slim. He stood firmly on his feet and seemed unshakable. Above all, he had dark, piercing eyes which looked straight at the opponent and showed that he was fearless and straightforward. The wrestling match began. Yonamin and Bushi bowed to each other and they began to attack each other. दोनों एक दूसरे को अटैक करने लगे. In the earnest, they punched, kicked, and twisted using their best techniques. It looks as if the match was going to be a tie. Nobody winning, nobody is losing. So, but at a crucial moment in the fight, Yonamin paused ever so briefly. Bushi took advantage of the moment and brought her down with a swift punch. Crucial fight is there. Yonamin थोड़े देर के लिए paused ever so briefly. So Bushi took advantage of that moment and he brought her down with a swift punch. Yonamin's father was very happy man. Bushi and Yonamin were married in a splendid ceremony. In this way, Bushi just defeat Yonamin and they and her father becomes very happy and they married in a splendid ceremony. It was a happy marriage. Yonamin was a king and kind and loving. Yonamin was very kind and loving. She cooked and cleaned and kept the house spick and span. One day when she was sweeping in the kitchen, Bushi saw her lift a huge bag of rice with her left hand as she swept beneath the bag with her right hand. She grew thoughtful. Is she really so strong? And yet I brought her down with one punch. One day, Yonamin announced that she would like to visit her parents. I will leave in the evening and return the next day. In time to cook your dinner, she said to her husband, you really should not travel during the night. Bushi said to her firmly, there are bandits about. It is just not safe for a woman to go alone after it is dark. So he said it is not safe for a woman to go in the dark, in the night time. My dear husband, you forget that you married a trained wrestler. Yonamin said to him with a smile. Yonamin is, my dear husband, you are married. You forget that you are married to a wrestler, trained wrestler. Don't forget that I threw you down on flat on the ground, said Bushi. You are not unbeatable. Don't worry, said Yonamin. Bandits are not as skilled as you are. So, she's saying bandits are not skilled as you are. So, they are not skilled as you are. I can take care of myself. Now, what is meant by bandit? A robber or outlaw belonging to gang. Robber रहते हो और एक gang के कोई. Okay, so they can be a robber or the member of the team of the crew or robbery team member. I can take care of myself. Bushi was not pleased. She is overconfident. He thought to himself, she must be caught a lesson for her own good. Bushi को लगा Bushi was not pleased. She is overconfident. He thought to himself, she must be taught a lesson. उसको लगा कि इसको lesson सिखाना चाहिए for her own good, उसके ही अच्छे के लिए. So that evening, Yonamin left to walk to her father's home. As soon as she departed, Bushi disguised himself as a bandit. That evening, Yonamin left to walk her father's home. वो अपने father के चली गई. So बुशी ने खुद को ऐसे बना लिया, मास्क वगैरह पहन के वो बैंडिक्ट हो गया, यानी रॉबर का एक ग्रुप का उसने मास्क वगैरह पहन लिया. Smearing dark colors over his hand and covering his face with a scarf, he ran as fast as he could to hide behind a clump of trees at a fork on the road. So उसका पीछा करने लगा trees के यहाँ से जाके. Darkness fell and he saw Yonamin approaching the fort, from where she could take a left turn to reach her father's house. When she crossed the clump of trees, Bushi jumped out from behind the trees and tried to attack her. Bushi ने क्या किया? जंप किया और उसको अटैक करने का उसको ट्राई किया. Yonamin was swift and sharp in her reaction to the attack. She is very swift, बहुत ही swift थी. उसने रिएक्शन को शार्प तरीके से रिएक्शन को अटैक किया, उसको भी आंसर किया. She held her attacker by the hand and kicked him with such a force that the attacker fell to the ground unconscious. इतने जोर से किक किया वो unconscious होके गिरा. Yonamin dragged him and tied him to a tree with her sash. इसे उसको खींच के पूरा उसको ट्री से बांध दिया. She dragged him, tied him to the tree with her sash. She adjusted her backpack and set off round the corner of her father's home. Next day, as she was returning home in the afternoon, she saw her bandit still tied to the tree. वो bandit वैसे ही था. Next day वो आई तब वो वैसे के वैसे ट्री को बंधा हुआ था. To the tree as she had left him the previous night. Shall I untie you now or leave you here? She asked him. She is asking me, shall I untie now? अभी मैं छोड़ूं इस रस्सी से तुमको और leave you as it is here. Please untie me, mumbled the bandit. Bandit उसको बोलने लगा, please untie me. मुझे छोड़ो. I beg you to forgive me. मैं आपके सामने आई बेग यू, मैं तुमसे क्षमा मांगता हूँ, बेग कर, प्रेयर कर, ये करता हूँ, रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि मुझे छोड़ दो. I shan't ever do this again. Simply she untied him and walked away quickly. She was in a hurry. उसको अनटाई किया और चल आगे चली गई. She was in a hurry, बहुत जल्दी में थी. She had to reach the home in time to cook her husband's evening meal. क्योंकि उसको घर में पहुंचना था और हस्बैंड के लिए इवनिंग मील बनाना था. Little did she realize that she had just released her husband from his captivity. Little did she realize that she had released her husband from this captivity. That evening, quite a while after she had set the dinner ready, Bushi walked in looking tired and very dull. She helped him wash and set out fresh clothes for him to wear. Okay, so as she set out a white sash from his pocket and gave it to his wife, this is yours if I am not mistaken, he said, looking into her eyes. Oh, Bushi, was it you? I am so sorry, exclaimed Yonami. Okay. As Bushi sat down to the dinner, she brought a white sash from his pocket. उसने अपने pocket से white sash निकाल के उसको दिया. So she had given him the white sash from his pocket. This is yours if I am not mistaken, he said, looking into her eyes. Bushi, oh Bushi, was it you? I am so sorry, exclaimed. You don't have to be sorry, said Bushi. You taught me a lesson that I won't forget all my life, and that is, don't underestimate anybody, not even a woman. So Bushi got the lesson that don't underestimate anybody, even she's a woman. Asked Yonamin playfully. Especially not a woman, said Bushi, and they burst out laughing together. So Bushi ने बोला, especially not a woman. Especially woman को forget नहीं करना चाहिए, underestimate नहीं करना चाहिए, कम नहीं समझना चाहिए. And they both are laughing. In this way, we have finished the story, Yonamin and Bushi. In next period, we will start the question answers. Your homework is listen, Yonamin and Bushi. This is the last lesson. Okay, so do it. Bye.